Hi, this video demonstrates the step-by-step process for building dashboards in Tableau Desktop. First, connect to the data you'll be using. Once it's available in Tableau Desktop, create charts by building one or more sheets. Next, create a dashboard using these sheets. Finally, publish your work, typically to Tableau Server, but in our case, we'll be publishing to Tableau Public. To complete this module, you'll need 3 tools: Tableau Desktop, a Tableau Public account, and one dataset. For this example, we're using an Excel file that contains the data. Tableau supports connections to various data sources, including databases like Oracle and SQL Server, as well as standalone files such as Excel and CSV. Tableau allows 2 ways to connect to data: live and extract. For this exercise, we are using Extract. This option bundles together the Tableau workbook and any associated local file data sources, creating a file with extension .twbx. Open Tableau Desktop and navigate to Data and select New Data Source. In the Connect window, choose Microsoft Excel to open your file, using the Open window. You can select any file with some data. For this exercise, I will use the file polygons.xlsx. Once the connection is set, your spreadsheet name will show under Connections. The list of sheets in your Excel workbook will show under Sheets. Select the Sales sheet and drag it over to the Dataset canvas on right. At the bottom of this section, check the fields of the dataset and a few of its records. Finally, set the connection to Extract. This is needed for 2 reasons. Allows Tableau Desktop incorporate the dataset in a packaged workbook with TBWX extension. For publishing into Tableau Public, only Extract connections are allowed. Live connections produce an error message at publishing time. Let's now select Sheet 2 and create a bar chart by dragging the fields category and sales amped to rows and columns. Tableau creates a bar chart with these 2 fields from our dataset. We are now ready to create our dashboard with our bar chart. Select the New Dashboard option and a dashboard named DAWboard1 will be created. Next step, we are adding the bar chart to our newly create dashboard. We are now ready to create our dashboard with our bar chart. Select the New Dashboard option and a dashboard named Dashboard1 will be created. Next step, we are adding the bar chart to our newly create dashboard. Now it is time to share the dashboard with your audience. First, sign in to the server, for us Tableau Public. Then, publish to Tableau Public, selecting Save to Public and then providing a name for Tableau Public. Please refer to the below screenshots. Congrats, you just created your first dashboard and published it to Tableau Public to later share with your audience. We followed these steps. 1. Connect to data. 2. Create charts. 3. Create a dashboard with charts and publish. Keep the learning going.